Here are 9 kitchen hacks to make cooking faster and easier. First, enjoy cheese crackers without dirtying a dish. The perfect cozy morning start. Second, fill an empty lip balm tube with butter and swipe it on toast for a perfect spread every time. Third, add lemon juice to fresh fish for that perfect flavor. Fourth, wrap a jar lid in plastic to shape minced beef into neat patties. Make one for your parents, too. Sixth, use a fork to peel shrimp shells, quick and clean. Seventh, keep green onions fresh by spraying with water and wrapping in paper towels. Attach a brush to your power drill for an instant electric scrubber. Even Mom will call you a kitchen genius.